Well, my practice has two arms. My private practice is a cosmetic practice where I do a whole gamut of cosmetic procedures on patients' faces, breasts, and bodies. Those range from major facelifting procedures to small tightening procedures to breast augmentation, breast lifting, all the way down to Brazilian butt lifts and liposuction, tummy tucks. In addition to this practice, I have a practice for the City Hospital of New York, where for the last 10 years I've been doing major reconstructive surgery on multiple trauma patients. That focuses on my reconstructive microsurgery, where I'm a member of the American Society of Reconstructive Microsurgery. Microsurgery is the technical aspect of being able to put very small things together. That ability allows you to reattach fingers, hands, to do breast reconstruction in a way that wasn't possible 10 years ago, and to restore a patient's facial appearance, whether it's been disfigured from trauma or from cancer, so they have a functioning, aesthetically pleasing face. And that goes all the way down to making a jawbone out of a leg bone. In addition, that part of my practice also deals with one of the two burn centers in the city of New York. Taking care of burn patients can be some of the most difficult work we do as plastic surgeons, but also some of the most gratifying. It's not uncommon for a burn patient to stay in our burn unit for several months to be discharged to a nursing home before they can get back to their lives. So knowing that you had something to do with making it possible for that patient to go on and to see the gratitude in their eyes is a great experience.